Still struggling with window cleaning? Frustrated with those tall windows and tricky edges? Putting in all that effort, but still not getting that spotless shine? Why not leave it to WINBOT? It understands your windows better than anyone. With its TruEdge scrubber, it reaches right up to the edges for a complete corner-to-corner clean. Thanks to its 3-nozzle, wide-angle spray technology, WINBOT evenly mists the glass to loosen dirt, from light dust to dried rain spots and tough stains. It clears it all, leaving your windows crystal clear. So take a break. Spend your time on what truly matters. WINBOT on, troubles gone. Brand new WINBOT featuring TruEdge scrubber, WINBOT W2S. Right on the edge, every corner in reach. Available now.